up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this vanity mirror with lights. What you need for this tutorial is a frameless mirror. I picked this one up from Home Depot. I will leave all the links down below in the description. We're going to need some vanity lights. I got these from Amazon, some glass cleaner, and you're also going to need some type of tape measure. First, I'm going to go ahead and clean off the mirror, remove any stickiness or dirt that's on the mirror or residue. The mirror also came with some hooks to hook it onto the wall, but I'm not going to be using those. I'm going to go ahead and start undoing my lights. Something that I really like about these lights, it just has this sticky stuff on it so you can stick it right onto the mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the sticker to go ahead and stick my first light down. So I'm just going to kind of put it down at the bottom and get a feel of where I want it to be. So for my two end lights, this one and the one here, I made them about 1/2 inch apart from the edge of the mirror. And I'm kind of guessing in my head, guys. And then for the two middle lights, I'm just going to measure them about 7 inches apart. Okay guys, I had hubby come in here and help me real quick. Okay, so I'm all done putting the lights onto the mirror. Now I have all these loose wires everywhere. Obviously, I'm not gonna leave them that way, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna attach those wires to the back of the mirror so you do not see them in the front. guys, I'm all done. This is how the mirror turned out. I absolutely like it. It looks like I measured every light perfectly, which I'm satisfied with. I'm going to show you guys how it looks with the lights off. That way you can see how bright the lights are. So this is how it looks with the lights turned off. I have no lights on right now. I don't even have my recording lights on. It's still pretty bright. I'm satisfied. I like it. I'm probably eventually going to give this one to my daughter. I'm going to keep it for now. This is really fun DIY to do. I will leave all the links down below in this video so you can find the mirror and the lights. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, guys. Comment down below if you like videos like this. Let me know if you want to see any more DIYs. So like I said in every video, I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.